So you guys, welcome back. It has caught my attention that Josh Callan from SB19 has been starting to upload his vlogs, I assume, of his life, and the title is The Comeback, Welcome Back to My Life. So when I saw it last year, I think it was last year, yeah, 12 days ago, so yes, last year. Before I got sick, I saw this like, I want to watch it. And now I'm finally back to my normal self, kind of, not truly, but basically, and I still want to watch it. I know there's another video already out of him. Yesterday came out, A Million Dreams, Building a World of P-Pop and Beyond. So I want to start with the first one because I saw it and I still want to see it as kind of welcome back from him. I hope you still want to watch it even though it's like 12 days old. I don't know if that's even old, but like there's another video, so maybe you'll be interested in that. Anyways, I will shut up. But also, before we start the video, I have made little calendars for all of us, like digital calendars, planners for the new year to like get on top of our game, to succeed, to like see our lives, to like schedule and be on top and just see your life, basically. I like to do that. I have done that for years, and this year I made them for the first time myself, so I can use it myself and I can share with you. Maybe it can help you out this year. So yeah, anyways, I'll stop you up around and let's get in the video. Okay, literal yawn. I have subtitles on so I can understand everything that's going on. Okay, literally. In
Merry
bed.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. And Happy New Year.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hindi pa siya ganun kaayos ngayon. Ayan na, si Bobo mo kulit. Ate Arlene, smile ka naman, oh.
Come on, smile.
Welcome back to my life.
I mean,
Tas gaganon.
you kind of have to film your life when your life is this crazy. I mean, you kind of have to, in my opinion, right? So much is happening that you
been a
can
long
share
while.
it well. It's been a while.
It's been really a long while. Tumigil ako mag-vlog for at least siguro
2 years
na rin,
now.
no? Honestly, I find it weird na kinakausap ko ulit yung camera ko ng ganito. Na-realize ko gusto ko siyang gawin ulit.
Okay, I want to do it again.
Excuse my hat, my cap, kasi wala magulo yung hair.
Hair is a mess.
Life has been really busy. Nag-focus ako sa music. Nag-release ako ng several music videos, including the Lost and Found album and Lost and Found 2.
Being busy. I mean, so much has been done and like, it's crazy actually. I love this song.
Gusto ko lang share sa inyo yung experiences ko and how am I today as a person, paano yung mindset, paano ko kinakaya. Kasi marami nagsasabi, uy grabe, robot ka lang. One day, nandito ako sa Pilipinas, kinabukasan nandun ako sa ibang bansa, tapos another day, punta ako ibang bansa, tapos
Yeah, it's crazy. How do you...
Pilipinas. Madali ba? Masaya ba? Enjoy ba? Kasi yung usual na nakikita natin
Yeah, you see the glamour and beauty in social media.
Pag nasa social media. Pero sa totoo lang, mahirap siya.
It's tough.
I've experienced several burnout. Pero alam mo, hindi ka naman pwedeng tumigil. I have to endure everything. And I've grown so much. Hindi ko naman ako nag-vlog para sa mga malulungkot na bagay. Gusto ko lang i-share. Ito ulit si Josh. So welcome back to my life. I'm letting you in my life again para mas makapag-share ng mga insights. And gusto ko siguro makuha din yung mga iniisip nyo. Kasi ako.
I mean, I feel like videos like this is such a great tool for community, to build a community.
And it's fun. I think that's what makes us feel alive. Yung araw-araw meron kang bagong gusto, yung araw-araw meron kang bagong tinatry, yung araw-araw nag-explore ka. Masaya naman ako with what I have and how am I right now. Yun ang importante. Yung mga
so good to check in with yourself. It's so important.
For the past years and months, pero hindi naman may iwasan yan. Kailangan natin pagdaanan yan.
Life goes on.
Paano natututo tayo, diba? So, kwento ko na lang siguro kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari for the vlog. Alam mo yun, yung minsan yung parang tinatago ko lagi sa mga thoughts na nasa loob lang na hindi ko naman mailabas in public. Siguro better to have it here, diba? Kung ano yung mga gusto kong gawin, mga hobbies, mga masasayang moments, mga malulungkot na moments.
I mean, life.
To be honest, di ko pa alam talaga kung saan papunta, pero gusto ko lang din malaman nyo sino ako. Minsan mas nauna pa ako makita ng ibang tao kaysa sa sarili ko. So I want
I mean, sometimes it's good to
document
share and like see
everything,
the
to see
feedback. You
myself,
can take something and
the
leave
way
other, and something can
others
maybe
see me. And of
register
course,
with
I
you.
want you to see me as the real me. I want you to know the real Josh.
And that's deep, to know the real Josh. Because yeah, we just see the glamour of it all, but like we know how much work has been into their lives. That they are still real people who still has 24 same hours as we do every day. So
Nandito ako ngayon sa bahay.
it's huge.
And kita nyo naman, marami tayong kinalikot. Kung ano-ano kasi before, parang haunted house to eh. Pero, nag-try lang tayo mag-renovate.
I mean,
Magastos, to be honest.
making
Hindi
place
pa siya
good is
ganun kaayos
expensive,
ngayon
it
kasi
is.
I've been doing a lot of stuff. Pero ayan.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, hello muna kayo sa vlog ko. Hello po. Hello po. Ang loyal namin, di ba? Naka-Pepsi ka. Naka-McDo pa. Come here. Ayan na. Si Ibubo mo kulit.
Ibubu.
So, ang story kasi ni Ibubo, guys. Bina na lang siyang dinala sa akin ng kapatid ko. Supposedly. Hindi naman ako
I wasn't planning on having a dog.
Bigla na lang umuwi yung kapatid ko dito. Tapos sabi niya, hindi pwede sa condo ko eh. So, dito na lang muna. So, galit na galit ako ng
Okay.
Pero eventually, napamahal din siya.
I grew to
Be
love
honest, pero
him.
isa magkaroon ng aso. Pero at the same
I mean,
time,
dog is a lot of
stress reliever
responsibility.
din siya.
But also stress relief, yes.
Kaya,
Animal in general is a lot of work, but
so, ayun,
I feel like dog
studio.
is a lot of work. Like
everyday
cat,
grind, everyday pa rin
I don't know if you can see my cat. That's not that much like.
Pero grind pa rin. And I never stop. I always try to learn something every day. Lagi kong minimake sure na may progress every day. Totoo yung nire-redirect ka lang.
I mean,
Minsan,
take 5
may
minutes even a
store,
day, and it's gonna be
The
good.
world is preparing you for a bigger thing. Ako siguro, I'd rather fail hardly than come back stronger, di ba?
Yeah.
Doon nga ako mas natututo.
I mean, you will
Ano rin
become
kasi
with
ako
more knowledge
persistent,
anyways
because
than you
uno,
if you didn't
talagang
try and just wondered about it.
pipilitan ko rin yung mga gusto ko. Sa mga susunod na mangyayari sa buhay ko, at least alam ko yung gagawin ko, alam ko yung kailangan ko iwasan. Diba parang sa laging sinasabi, experience is the best teacher. I'm really glad na na-experience ko siya, lahat ng efforts ko, and lahat ng bagay na ginagawa ko. I know in time, babalik din yan. I'm happy for what I've become. I'm just glad for everything. I'm just glad that I am inspiring people. I
Yeah,
am
you
glad
are.
that I've given a lot of jobs. Tsaka, I'm very thankful pa rin every day na I can eat what I want to eat. Siguro, yun nga, more than anything else, you have to
Especially when you
appreciate
come from
little
nothing.
things in order for you
Like,
to
his
live
life has been
a happier
crazy.
life. You need to appreciate
And to be able to
little
do,
things.
yeah,
Kaya
little
nga
things.
Ako, nandito ulit. I want to share these little things with you.
This seems
So,
like a
that's
really
basically my
sincere
life update.
video.
Ang ingay.
It's noisy. Struggle of filming
So, basically,
videos
yun
if
ang
you live
life
with someone
update
else
ko.
together.
Gusto
Like,
ko pang malaman kung ano yung mga suggestions nyo, yung mga gusto nyo pa makita. And of course, I'll be showing some stuff na mga before
Some
na
older
vlogs. Kaya ako ginawa to, gusto ko ng introduction na hindi ako basta bigla na magbablog ulit. Gusto kong i-connect kayo sa buhay ko before. So, papakita ko siya all throughout kung ano yung mga na-experience ko. Kasi naalam ko, meron pa akong mga vlogs like Dubai. Dito na po kami sa Dubai Airport. Hong Kong. Music video shoot for $19.99. Nagsisimula pa lang ang gabi namin. For the next, siguro, episodes, ano ko siya. Integrate ko siya. And I want to know as well kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo malaman. Diba? I'll try to create more contents. If you want to know more about me, I have my subscription hub, my Facebook hub, and meron akong Discord channel and a lot of things going on around there. Kaso, meron akong problema ngayon kasi si Facebook hindi pa inaayos. Ay, hindi ko alam bakit natigil. So, napaka-wrong
Such
timing.
bad time.
It's Christmas season. Usually, ganitong season lang nakapag-break ng konti, nakapag-interact with people. Marami nang reklamo, hindi sila makapag-subscribe. Pero, if ever man, okay na siya by this time, ano ko na lang yung link niya below. And
it's crazy that these things happen even at this day and age, because like,
let's have fun activities.
how can they like bug that much and for such a long time and there's no one to reach out to fix them?
Do a lot of music na muna. So baka mas doon na lang muna mag-focus. Bala ko rin mag-focus for this year, syempre sa grupo. I have my merch going on. I will still do my merch. So salamat. Magkita-kita ulit tayo next vlog. Meron pa rin akong ibang pakulo, ibang kakaibang gagawin. Pero magiging consistent tayo dito. I hope so pala. I hope so. Pero gagawin yan. Kailangan nyo ako i-motivate. So panoorin nyo to para ma-motivate ako at syempre bigyan nyo ako ng suggestions. So, ayun lang naman. Thank you so much. And
See you next one.
Yan sila. Mas marami na sila. Ito yung nangyayari dito. Merch.
It's also crazy if that's your house and this is happening every day and out.
Hi Tracy! Narinig niya ba ako?
Tracy, narinig mo? Sino yan?
Who was that?
Ako ang iyong konsensya.
I'm your conscience.
Ate Arlene, smile ka naman, oh. Smile! Isang ano naman dyan?
Just one.
Ba't ayaw mo mag-smile? Isa lang eh. Mga kailangan natin isa-sign, no?
I mean, yeah, in your creation of the brand, so much goes into it behind the scenes. And everything takes time. Josh Cullen. You guys, I really enjoyed this video, and as he said at the end, to suggest for me to do something like what you want to see in the videos, I would just say, just be you, just do your things. Like, me personally, I like to watch, it sounds really strange, I just love people live their lives and be real and honest. I don't need to be them crazy, bounce off the walls, like scream, laugh, like do all those things. Like, I'm not like that on my channel as well. Like, so many people have said over time, you're so low on energy, you just don't, like, you're just energized. I mean, I'm not a clown. I don't like that. It's not my personality. I'm laid back person. I'm kind of on the more serious side. I can be like happy and crazy time to time and excited, but like, I'm not gonna fake it, because I know that I will not be able to keep it up. And it's not my nature to be that way, so I better be me as I am, and the people who will like it and they will stay. And I prefer that much more than be fake and then burn out and just then fall apart. And then people be like, what happened? I'm like, oh, I was faking all the time. Like, so I'm me that I am, and like, if 60,000 people are here, I'm doing something right, you know? And the same with him. I hope that he will do just him, and he will be true and utterly himself, no matter what it is. If it's a happy day, if it is a sad day, if it is a boring day, if it is a busy day, it doesn't matter what is on his mind, what is happening. I will appreciate always and will watch it always, because like, I love to see people being authentic and real and honest. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me with that. So, or you like to watch people who are extremely high in energy. Like, if that's authentic, sure, but if you can tell the person is faking it and it's just over the top, like, do you like that? Let me know in the comments down below. I just want to know. Anyways, I went on a tangent that was not needed in here, but I'm really happy to see his vlogs, and he seems like such a genuine, nice person, and his values seem like in the right place. And he's a full-on character on stage and off the stage, so I like it, and I want to keep on supporting him and seeing where he goes in his life. So yeah, anyways, I'll stop you up around. I will definitely see you with another, maybe the next vlog that he already released. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.